fill in that whole area and then deal with it on the next pour, because I'm just having a problem with that one area there. I'm just going to put a thin line over here. Okay. I'm going to come right up against it with some white. Gold. I think I'm just going to fill this whole area in with the gold. And then I can come back on the second layer and do the lines with different colors. It's not happening. Okay, that's good. That is good. So I'm just looking around to see if I want anything anywhere else. Definitely do not like the way that the white looks there. So I'm thinking just to take a little bit more of this to shape it a different way. See that? Now it gave it a different shape, and I like that. And it's going to do what it wants to do on the first one. I do have a lot of white left, so I'm thinking I'm going to just outline this area. Or, no, right here. And of course, pouring down the side of the cup, not in a line. Let's try the other side of the cup. Pain in the butt. There we go. Sometimes you have to switch sides of the cup. Bada bing. Okay, all done. All done with the resin, at least for now. So now I can take any type of glitter that I may want, or stones, and sprinkle it in. I have this pretty Solar Storm, it's called, glitter. Just have to shut off my fan, and I'm thinking I'm going to sprinkle it somewhere in here. Has to be on the gold though. So I'll start over here. Just put a little bit on. very lightly. Just putting a little tiny bit, because I don't want a lot of it. The glitter's pop enough already. So what I'm going to do is let this set up, and then next video will be adjusting whatever I need to do, adding more stones, and then the last video will be attaching the crystals and doing the flood coat. So I want to thank you guys for being so supportive, and I will link the information below. I wish you a great day, great night, happy pouring.